Okay.
Hello everybody,
Hey.
welcome back to our channel. How are you all today? Can't you say again?
Cô là ghê.
Go like go there, so clear.
Asukleya.
So how is everybody's doing? Everybody doing good with this the situation we're in right now?
I don't believe in the lockdown at all. I don't believe that there should be a lockdown. Things need to be open now. Things need to open up. I don't even wear a mask. I don't think anyone's actually sick.
I don't think it's real. I think the government is trying to scare people. But I think they just want people to be in its side so that it can freely move. You know, because there's so many people. You know, in the whole world, like so many people, billions of people, and there's always moving. You know, when nothing happen, so they don't want people to kind of go here or there. You know, so maybe that's what I think. You know, in my head, because sometimes the way I think, you know, answer, you know, the questions. It could be, you know, might be right. Why
I think
this happened?
people they are taking people that have similar conditions, and if they die of something else, they're just labeling it as coronavirus. They label everything as coronavirus.
So they just don't want to show, because a lot of the news are trying to hide something, and the number of people die, it might be not accurate. It could be, you know, from other conditions people die from, not just coronavirus. I don't even, you know, believe that the tests are accurate. So because they said that there's so many people, you know, like they said that the tests are not available. The test kit, you know, they're not available to everybody, right?
And like Andrew Cuomo is just trying to make more money for the state, so he probably had his brother Chris Cuomo fake a coronavirus because he didn't look sick at all or no problem. He's probably faking it just to help his brother out. Okay, brother, I'll help you if you pay me money.
Yeah, so that he can interview him. You know, they can make hundreds of thousands of dollars because they're like you know, like very important people. You know, like they're like a governor's brothers. So if they're on the news, you know, they get paid more than a normal person. You know, to get paid.
Governor Cuomo gave himself a raise during the coronavirus too.
Yeah. And everybody, they have essential jobs, and governors, healthcare, and then they get paid more. So they just go with it. They have to believe. They have to kind of accept what the governments, you know, are trying to tell them. You know, if they don't go with it, you know, they might get in trouble. Like because the doctors and nurses, I don't trust them. I don't really trust
This
them
house
at all.
arrest for America is unconstitutional.
It's horrible. It makes us sick. Like we need, you know, fresh air. I think they must have done something horrible. Maybe they built like a 5G, you know, like tower something, you know, because
Could have to do with 5G probably.
On our internet we see like a 2G extension or 5G, you know, generation extension. I don't know what that is. I think it's because they're just trying to switch, you know, the internet, like something going on. We don't know, because we just don't know what happened.
During the lockdown, they're putting up the 5G towers.
They just do something, that's, you know, not a lot of people know about. I think we have to do research, you know, about it. So this kind of situation, we've been outside, we have contact with people, we don't get sick. You know, that's.
I fell for it for like the first month. I believed it. You know, for a while I believed it, but at this point
people are like making masks and stuff, and then they just bought a lot of food. You know, like I don't know. We're not gonna die because we're not gonna get. Even though we get sick, we're not gonna die because we get sick like so many times. We don't die from it, and unless like you have some kind of severe problems.
Something happened to the TV. It rewind itself.
Oh, internet connection.
It rewind itself.
Okay.
Like almost the best.
Really?
Mm-hmm.
Aw. Something happened.
So what are we here talking about,
we're
Paul?
Perfectly healthy.
So what is this episode about? What are we here to talk about?
Yes, we're gonna be talking about the challenge of being married, like interracial, be married.
You guys watch the show and we're always happy, and you guys think everything's perfect, but things
Behind
might
the
seem the
scenes.
opposite. You know, a lot of episodes, you know, she likes to make me very angry. Like when we're eating, she likes to make me very angry before we make the video. So if you see some of the eating videos I had, I'm not talking or I'm not happy. It's because she wanted to make me angry.
Whereas you make me angry too.
I make her angry because I'm lazy.
He's very lazy. He's a father.
laziness.
He's got 2 kids.
My laziness makes her angry, and her anger makes me angry.
Yeah, marrying in the same culture is, you know, it's not such a challenge, I guess. You know, you eat the same food, you dress the same way, you talk the same way, you think the same way, you worship the same God, I guess.
Not every time the same culture is like that. But
well, not
different
the
cultures
same
much
God,
further
but
apart.
it's most of the time it's the same religion. You go there, you have the same beliefs, you eat the same food. Like
We
me
don't eat the
and
same food
him,
at all.
we don't eat the same food. When I cook,
I barely like
smell like
I barely
chili.
like the food of her. I barely like to eat her food.
It smell like chili, and he doesn't like to smell like it smell bad.
Smell the taste of her food, which her food is healthier than mine. I'll admit.
Makes them want to cough or sneeze. So yeah, that's the thing. That's the hard thing about interracial relationship, marriage.
And she doesn't like my food that much either. Sometimes.
I don't like American food a lot of times because that's what I was born to eat. When I was born, that's what my parents fed me, and I just grew up eating, and that's what I like. I'm not gonna change. I can't change what I like to eat.
She shouldn't, because my food that I like to eat is unhealthy. It's not something you should be eating.
When I grew up, I ate, you know, rice and curry and soup, vegetables.
Fruit and vegetables are good, which I don't eat.
Chili paste, you know, those things like that. Fish paste, because it could be very sticky, smelly, so he can't stand it.
Some of the stuff I really
Some of the
don't
times
like.
Sometimes he will make fun of what I eat, so I kind of got mad. So we just need to address these problems. Maybe, you know, it will help other couples that go through the same thing. You're not alone. So
one of the biggest issues right now is our 1-year-old baby. He doesn't sleep much. He's actually up all night, and sometimes he likes to scream while she's sleeping at night. He's screaming, and it wakes her up, and it makes her angry. And
I'm very grumpy when I see somebody making a noise. I just got mad, and then I got really angry, like a demon, you know, inside of me. Because when you
Seems
sleep,
like
I just wanna rest my brain. I don't want any interruption, so that my brain can just, during the day you think about this, you do this, you do that. It's getting tired. We have to get a rest. We have to give the brain, you know, a rest at night, so that we have the energy the next morning to function.
Well, it was 8 o'clock in the morning yesterday, and the baby was still awake. In fact, he was getting cranky because he was probably tired, and he woke her up and then made her very angry, and it was time for me to go to sleep because the baby was ready to go to sleep. And then she was giving me a hard time because the baby was crying to go, that he was cranky, and she was acting like I didn't feed him, acting like I didn't do all the stuff I do. I clean around the house, but I don't know, she closes her eyes and ignores it. Calls me lazy.
No, you don't clean the way my standard. You can't live up to my expectation. The way I set the standard is very high, so you never done that.
It's impossible.
You can't really, you haven't done that, so that's why I feel like I'm, even though you're at home, you're not helping, so maybe it's better to go to work and I'm home, I clean, and so I don't have to deal with another person at home. We just kind of get into each other's nerves, so a lot of the times, so when he's at work, he's not here most of the day, so we miss each other. But when we home 24/7 with each other, it's not good.
And when I do go to work, I have to work when I'm tired, and then when I come home, I'm sleeping when I'm home, so I don't really get much done, which makes it seem like I'm even more lazy. Because when I have to work 40 hours a week, I get nothing done at home.
Nope. I have to do everything.
She has to take care of the kids.
That's all you do, you know, you go to work.
That's why I let her stay at home. I don't tell her to get a job. She stays at home and watches the kids in the house. Because
it might be better if I go to
job.
work. I don't know. I'm not sure, but he doesn't know how to do house chores, housework. I don't know if I work. he's home and do nothing, doesn't know how to do anything, even cleaning. The way I want him to clean, like the way I wanted it, just not happening. He doesn't know how to do that because he was never taught that. I think the same things as his sister never clean. She doesn't know how to clean. So because when I grew up, I was taught how to clean, how to cook. So there's so many things I was taught in my culture. We're not lazy. We work so hard.
One big difference is she was born in the jungle where it was always hot and they're always outside doing things. And I'm raised in the cold where you can't go outside because it's always cold up. So I usually do
TV.
I usually do things that are inside, like the TV or the video games or a board game.
Which is not good.
And she does things that are outside, like maybe go fishing. She doesn't go fishing, but her family goes fishing. All right, so we just changed the baby's diaper, so we're back. Also, well, I don't know how much more we have to speak about that, fights and all that. We it doesn't get very abusive or anything. We don't punch each other. No, at least I don't punch her. She throws things at me. She throws things at me.
I like to scream like loud.
So.
But I just like to make his hair.
She kind of wants to break things, but she holds herself back from breaking stuff. Yeah, you should follow us on Facebook and Instagram.
No, Instagram. Follow us on
Instagram.
Because it's easier. Facebook, I don't know.
Now she's getting a lot of people calling her and messaging her about.
Yeah, I'm trying to respond to everyone's comments because right now I still have pretty good amount of people that comment on my YouTube channels, But when I have thousands of views, thousands of comments, I don't think I can do that because I don't have time for that, because I don't want people to be like angry at me because I can't respond to them.
Right now, there's a good amount. We could read all the comments and answer a couple phone calls or messages now. But when your YouTube gets too big, you just can't respond to everybody. Too many comments and calls and
yeah, messages. And one more thing, he also likes to play with toys. So
HeroScape, look it up. So, look it up on my YouTube
I don't know.
channel.
It's in my culture. As an adult, we don't play with toys and stuff. But
it's a board game.
Like it's a board game, but it's not. I mean, that's our culture. We just don't understand. Maybe I don't know. Like it's a lot of things we don't understand about American culture. People just like to have fun, even though they're older.
If you see JSG Game Center in the comments, that's one of my two YouTube pages. But that's the one I make videos on. You could put in the description box. But I comment with JSG Game Center.
That's a link.
And that's my channel, and you can go there and you can see videos. I got videos of HeroScape. I got videos of gaming because when I'm with my videos, I make videos of gaming.
How many do you have? How many views do you have on that one? The first one? That's the HeroScape or game?
The board game HeroScape.
600.
That one I showed you, the 660 something. That one was a video game.
Yeah, that's still good.
My channel's not as big as her channel, but I'm still working on it. There's people that like games, and I got some pretty good stuff on there.
We just gotta know what's the target audience are, because I know for me, as I go on, like I just realize like what kind of audience I should target. Like I just kind of pop out in my mind, because I am Asian, I'm Korean. I have people that might be interested in watching this, because my husband is not Korean, he's American. Maybe I teach him my language.
Her target audience is the Korean, because you guys like to see
right now
American people learn the culture, the language, the
because
food.
That's how I feel in my heart. You just got to do something from your heart, like, because when I look at someone like the Korean lady, like the American husband, they're teaching something. Just want to know what they're doing. That's what I like to look at. That's what I like to watch. So maybe something that can make it, myself, because we have something like this, to kind of work on it. Jojo, fall?
No, he threw the bottle. When he's done drinking, just chucks it.
Jojo is very aggressive. He just like, when he watched the phone cartoon, commercial comes out, and he just like throw it at us like hard, like this.
Sometimes she's sleeping on her bed and he comes up and throws it at her on the bed. Throw it at you.
He's very aggressive little boy. I'm just
They get
worried
angry.
when he's older he will punch people. So when people mess with him. It's just, my daughter is calm. She's just got a calm personality.
Jojo's also happy, baby. He gets angry, but he's also more happy than he's angry. Because he's got my happiness and her anger.
I'm happy too.
I'm the happy one, and she's the angry one. She's the Hulk, and I'm Captain America.
The Hulk.
I just do the references of Avengers because I like to watch Avengers.
Who was that? Who's that? Who?
I don't know what happened to the TV.
Oh, Nikki's right out there playing with it.
Play the game.
Remote. No, Nikki's got a remote on his phone. Yeah. They're probably wondering why it's not working. They're pressing the button. If they're doing upstairs, they're wondering why the buttons are not working. And it's working down here. Just grab the remote and press play.
People cannot live with the internet because without internet it's gonna be boring. Just sitting, like that. Maybe read a book. The kids these days don't do that.
Well, they can't here. It's always cold. Like we would be outside doing more outside activities, but it's always winter out here. Last night we were gonna have like a barbecue or a grill. It's like April, end of April, early March, and we're still in the house.
Yeah.
Or almost May.
I think it's better to live like for me it's my personal preference. It would be better to live in a warmer place because I was born there, I grew up there, I like it, and even we didn't have an air conditioner, but we had a good time. I think we like it. I just don't want to I don't want to sound like Israeli people, like wherever you are, you're complaining, why you bring us here, what did I come here for, you brought us here to die because we didn't have any
the
food.
Israelites, yeah.
Like we're like
about where because
the model Israeli.
When Israelites were free from Egypt, they were only complaining, and I can see the Karen people are free from what was happening to them in Asia, and they're in their free country like America, and they're complaining and want to go back. I can see it's a lot.
I don't want to go back to Burma. I just want to go back and see it because I went there and I saw it. I don't like Burma. Thailand is fine. Thailand is like America. It's very developed. It's so connected to the other part of the world, so it's amazing. Even though I don't go back and live in Thailand, but I will move to a warmer state.
Mm-hmm.
Either Florida or California. California might be expensive. What is it?
Like a hair piece that keeps floating over. It's one piece of hair that keeps floating everywhere.
Yeah.
Alright, so we got everything here good to go. Because we got the other one was 17 minutes and this one's almost 9 minutes. So you good? You got it?
Alright.
Got your video?
Alright guys, if you like the video, make sure you subscribe, okay? Don't forget to subscribe.
Do it.
If you like the video, like and share, comment, okay?
And also tell us if you like
video game
videos of us language, or if you like traveling videos, because we see you guys are watching more of the videos of me doing language or eating more than the travel videos, so I guess you guys like that. I don't know.
You wanna
So what do you guys like to see?
You wanna say?
What do you guys want me to say?
Wanna say something correct that you remember?
I don't remember any of that.
You all need to be say.
Yone chidabeba.
You don't wanna eat face paste, don't say that in Korean.
Yone
Just remember. Say remember. You all need to beba.
Yone chidabeba.
You all need to.
You know yone da chutiti.
Oh, hello, Jojo. Bring Jojo here.
He's got chocolate all over his face. He just had chocolate ice cream.
Alright,
Him and Sita.
Yeah, my baby.
For his hands.
He pooped. I smell it.
I can smell it. That's what he came here for. He came here to tell us to change his diaper. I could
Hello,
tell.
Pujajo.
So what about this video? Huh? What about this video?
Uh-huh.
No.
Okay. So what other thing you want to talk about?
Well, we gotta change his diaper. He came here because he said my diaper's got poop in it. Change it.
Mommy, carry me, mommy. Turn it off. Signing off now.